Welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. Today we're just going to do, I think, just one quick craft. And then we have to do the giveaway because y'all helped me get to 1,000 subscribers. So thank you for that. So one quick craft, and then I'm going to explain the rules of the giveaway and what needs to be done so that we can get you a prize for being an awesome subscriber. If you haven't yet, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so that you know when the next video comes out. So let's go ahead and go take a look.
All right, so the first or the only craft we're going to do is a wall hanging for my closet. And I don't know if you've watched my videos, but if you did, you know that I went to the Gucci outlet down in San Marcos, Texas for my birthday. And so I did buy a purse, so that was great. But they gave this big, huge box, you know, when they give you the purse. It was in this big, huge box. And so I cut the front of the box off, and I like it. It's like a really heavy cardboard black material with this Gucci symbol and everything on the bottom. And I just thought it was adorable, and I love it. And so I'm going to make it into a wall hanging. Is that a little pretentious? Maybe, but I like it. So that's the part that matters. It's for my closet. No one actually sees my closet but me, so I'm good with it. So I'm just measuring. I got a larger canvas to go behind this cardboard, and I'm going to attach the Gucci cardboard to the canvas. So I'm just measuring right here. I'm using this blue painter's tape so that I can basically make a line on the canvas without having to use pencil or pen or whatever else. So I'm just going to cut off 4 pieces. I'm going to measure to make sure it's the same on the top and the bottom and the right on the left. And I'm just going to place the tape where where the lines need to line up at. So just line it up on all 4 sides, and then we are going to flip it over and we're going to attach the Gucci sign to that canvas using this foam mounting tape. This is from Dollar Tree. I've had this roll for a while. I don't honestly know if they still have this or not, but I'm just going to cut off a few pieces of this, well, many pieces of this, and I'm going to attach it to the back of my little Gucci sign. And where you put it will matter because you don't want to see it from the side, and it is going to stick out a little bit from the canvas, but you also need enough of it so that it's going to hold on. I did put hot glue on top of that foam mounting tape because I do not want this falling apart. So I put the foam mounting tape, then hot glue, and then attached it. And you see how easy it was to attach because I have the lines basically all lined up with that painter's tape that I've got there. And that's it. Just as cute as can be. I love my little Gucci. That's my brand. That's what I love. And this is in my actual closet there. You can see it's kind of darker because there's no light.
So I just wanted to take a moment just to explain the giveaway. Again, the giveaway is due to my happiness for y'all helping me hit 1,000 subscribers. And I have an app that I found that will pull YouTube comments and such and follow the rules that I need so that we can do a giveaway. So the prize, again, is a $50 Amazon card. I'm going to email it to you. And so there's going to be some rules on how to do that. What I'll need you to do in this video here, I'll need you to first write a comment. In the comment, I'll need you to write 1,000. That'll be the key to have you included in the drawing. And then also give the video a thumbs up. And then also make sure you're subscribed. If you're subscribed, then you qualify, pretty much. So it's easy as can be. So subscribe, leave a comment that includes 1,000, as well as give the video a thumbs up. And then the drawing will go until next Monday. And then next Monday is when I'll pull that, and then I'll include the winner in Tuesday's video, as well as a post on my comment section or on my community section on my channel. So that was a lot to say. So I'm going to put it all down in the description below, so be sure to read the description below so you know the actual rules. And of course, YouTube has nothing to do with this drawing. They have no responsibility for anything that I do here. So if you have questions or concerns, of course, reach out to me. I'm here to answer all those questions. Because there's something to really celebrate here. So I'm super excited, super happy. And I thank you so much for being a subscriber.
And then I just want to take you back in time and show you some of my favorite crafts. I've listed them all below so you can actually find the videos. These are crafts that I keep up year-round or I use on a daily basis. First is this Love You More sign. That is my absolute favorite. Then we've got this little jewelry tray. And Love is Being Stupid Together. Again, love that as well. And then the bag dispenser, the Walmart bags that you get, you put in this dispenser. Awfully handy. My tissue box that is next to my bed and I use every day. This paint pour that I have in my bathroom is quite adorable. And I do like this chalk art. I made this recently and I really actually like it a lot, more than I thought. And then my little mug holder that's on my couch all the time. The wood lantern that was a Try It Tuesday activity. The regular tray that's on my end table in the living room. The spice racks, which my spices actually do sit there. My coasters are on my kitchen table where I sit and eat my dinner every day. My utility tray there, or Lazy Susan, in my craft room. And all of these, I don't have videos for any of these right now, but all of those. Coffee First, People Later is one that I don't think I have a video for. And then this family rules sign is just adorable. And then this wood sign is something that I made rather recently as well. And my favorite door hanger that I've ever had is this one that says hi that I change out every season. I really do thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts. I really appreciate the fact that you were able to help get me to 1,000 subscribers. It makes me so happy. It was a goal I had years ago and I did finally reach it. You all helped me do that. So thank you so much. And I sure hope that you can appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.